Today guys, we are going to color grade a flat image with Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you guys are ready. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing I usually do, I go to my scopes to read the scopes very well, as you can see over here. Now secondly, I do my basic color correction. I look at the image very well. I take up some white, bring down some blacks. Now add some contrast on the video, bring down the shadow, let's say bring down the highlight. Alright, I think it's good. Add up some saturation on the image. You can put 170. Let me just show you the before and the after. The before and the afters. Alright, now I go to my secondary. I select the skin tone. We usually have the skin tones from this level. Yeah, I'm almost there. Okay. Select the skin. Alright, denoise it, blur it. Alright, so this is now where we are going to do some creativity. I come over here and I invert. So the inverting is going to affect just the background. So whatever we do is just going to affect just the background, and we're going to give that tea and orange look on this particular background. So I'll just do it over here, take it down right to the T section. Maybe you might want to be watching what you are doing. So you can see this is the before and this is the after. So I think this spot is sweet for me. Yeah, this particular spot is sweet for me. I'm going to duplicate this particular lumetri. I'm going to copy and I paste. So when you paste it, it's going to be much. You're just going to disable the basic color correction. Now go to the secondary again. Now you reinvert as you did. Now you come over here, you undo. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to separate the background right now with the subject to get this separation. So I'm just going to look at the sweet spot. Alright guys, there is okay for me. So I might dial down the saturation of this. Yeah, something like that. I'm going to add another lumetri color. So on this lumetri color, I'm going to do a general look. Go over here, start to give this commercial look on it. Yeah, so something like this. You can see the before and the after, before and the after. So go to our creative tab, go to the highlight, add some blue, and to the shadow maybe take some yellow inside for better separation. Yellow towards the yellow and red, like that. And now you can tint balance and see where we get it right. So I think so 30 is okay. You can now go to your curve, just create some S curve to give that contrast, and you have to take note not to do it too much, just something small. So the before and the after. Now you can just give a little bit of fadeish look right here. I can just give it like 5 for this image, so you can see what we did. Alright guys, that is what I wanted to show you today. And please, if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to this channel to support the family. Hit the notification bell so that you won't miss new videos coming from this channel, and kindly like this video. Why not give a solid comment on the video. See you next time.